Hello everyone, how are you today? So in this video I want to talk about how to link Excel spreadsheet in Microsoft Word. So you can see this test I just randomly created like I always do. I can decide to link my Excel worksheet here. You just need to select exactly where you want your linked table from spreadsheet to appear. So in this exercise I would like to link it at the bottom of this exercise, just where my cursor is blinking. So once that is done, I have used this in several of my videos. So I will select the table. I want to link this table in Word document. So I'll select that table, the section, the table that I want, and Ctrl C on my keyboard to copy it. Then I'll go back to my Word document. Now go to where I have Home tab, Clipboard group, and here is the paste button. I'm going to be using the paste special, so I'll click on the paste special. Now in the paste special, the dialog box appears. This dialog box allows me to choose. Here I'll go ahead and choose the Microsoft Excel worksheet object because that's what I want to embed or link to my Microsoft Word. So I'll click on that. Now when I click on this, if you want your Excel worksheet to be linked as or display as an icon, then you have to place a tick on this box and click on the OK. But I want to link my Microsoft worksheet, so I have to click on this button here, select this button that says paste link. So that's what I want exactly, and it's still on that Microsoft Excel worksheet. I'll now go down and click on the OK button. Now that table from my spreadsheet has been linked to my Microsoft Word. I'm just going to show you that in a bit. Okay, so now you can see here, this is the table I copied, everything is there. So back to my Microsoft Word, the same information in that spreadsheet is what I have here. Now let me tell you the good thing about using the link method to paste your table here. So if I go back to my spreadsheet, now I want to update, let's update student 1, the information here. I want to increase it to say 90. Once I increase or I modify anything on the spreadsheet, it's going to show the same modification will show in the Microsoft Word. So on that student 1 information, I have modified the exam mark to be 90. So let me go to my Microsoft Word. Can you see my Microsoft Word? Because it's linked together, the student 1 is being modified to 90. So if I put it at 100, you can see there. Let me minimize this. So let's change this to 100. Alright, so back to my Microsoft Word, you see it's gone to 100. So it is linked together. Whatever changes that is made in the table in your Excel is being modified here. So this table is linked to your spreadsheet. So whenever you make modification in the spreadsheet, the changes are also made in your Microsoft Word. So that is one method. There are other ways you can copy your table from Excel into your Word document. So those are different ways. So I'm just going to move a little bit down there. Go to this. I can just copy this table. Ctrl C. Now click on the Word document. Click by that section and Ctrl V, or just click the paste button. So this is another way you can copy a table from Excel and paste on your Word document. So in this case, you can now go ahead and just adjust the table. You see what I did? Click and drag that section. I can also do the same here. Click. Okay, this is good. So this is the same table I created, but you can see here they look a little bit different. So I can also click on this line and then adjust it. So they actually look the same thing, but the only thing between these two tables is I can make modification in my Excel and then it will be modified on this particular one because this is linked to the spreadsheet. But this one, it will not happen that way. I'll have to make the modification here in Microsoft Word. Alright, I can copy this table back Alright, right click on the copy, go to my spreadsheet, right, scroll a little bit down. Alright, I can just by this section and press on the Ctrl V or click on the paste. So you can see that you can actually copy table from Microsoft Word into your spreadsheet, and you can copy table from spreadsheet into your Microsoft Word and then modify it. Those are different ways. I've just shown you 3 different ways you can do that. The first one was to link your Microsoft Excel table into your Word document, and this other last one is to copy tables across these apps. I hope this helped you. Click on that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'll see you in my next video.